it visible? Okay. So the next one is table of contents. Uh, I think this table of contents and next chapter mail merge. It's not there in old textbook. I'm not sure whether you are having this in your small textbook or not. But if not, what I will do is I will ask Shivkumar sir to take Xerox and supply it to you. So no need to worry regarding that. I will anyways I will be giving notes. So inside the textbook, if you want to read, I will be giving these two chapters uh, Xerox. Okay. So now hope I think 6 members are not there. Usually 61 are there, but today I'm seeing 54. Okay, one is Nazma. I don't know who are the other 6. So good noon everyone. Hope I am audible to all. So our next topic is using table of contents. What is this table of contents? Wow, when we use this table of contents, Chaitanya, can you answer me? What is this table of contents and where it contains?
No idea, sir.
No idea, sir. Okay. Uh, Afrin,
Sir,
what is this table of content, ma?
table of contents. If you want to, suppose in book means if you want to search any chapter, we'll see contents to go to that.
Yes. Soon after your whatever the textbook is there, suppose if you are having a textbook, soon after the title page means soon after seeing social and all. So social, what chapters and which page numbers, those are called as table of contents. Right answer, Nanak. Very good. Okay, so table of contents is the first page where you can get a knowledge of what a book is containing and in which page it is there. Okay, that is table of content. So if suppose if you are writing a book and if you want to publish it, so we can use this Word document and you can give different effects. For table of contents also we are having one tab where it is called as references. In references, see here in table of contents group, table of contents is there. Okay, usually you can use 3 types of table of contents. One is automatic table 1, second one is automatic table 2, and third one is manual table. Automatic table 1 and automatic table 2 are those where you will get the formatting options automatically, whereas in manual table we can modify and we can make it. Okay, these are the 3 ways where you can create table of contents. Okay, so automatic table 1 and automatic table 2 are inbuilt contents, whereas manual table is the one where we have to make some changes or we have to type some changes and we have to make it. That is manual. Suppose if I am selecting, see here, so I am taking the first one. What I am doing is I have already copied some table of contents and I am pasting it. Have you seen? Are you people able to see it? So these are the table of contents for digital documentation where 5 chapters are there. Okay, this I have typed. This is this I used as automatic table 1. Okay, so if I want manual table, then go to table of contents and click on this one. See here, you are getting it, where we have to type each and everything. In automatic table we can directly type, whereas we have to adjust this means we have to remove this and then we have to type. Okay, understood the difference between automatic and manual. In automatic, nothing will be there. You'll get a blank page and directly we can type the content. Whereas in manual, you'll get some as an example and you have to remove it and then you have to enter your own data. Is that clear? Okay, next one is using insert table of contents. See here, custom table of contents is here. So if you click on custom table of contents, you can use whatever you wish. Okay, in this you are having an option called as modify. In this modify, again you are having modify, and in this modify still you can change. So I'm making it POC 11. So style type, whatever you want, you can use it. And I'm using it as title and subtitle. And I'm changing this to font size and font style. I'm changing it. And even font color, I'm giving some other thing. Okay. So if I click on OK, you will get what is our thing? Sorry. So for TOC is table of content. So for table of content, I am changing something and click on OK and again click on OK. See what happened? Automatically it has updated for with whatever the changes I made. I have given green color and I have changed the font style also. And if you click on this update title, see here. So if you want to type something, okay. So if you want to update this, just click on update table here, and you have to modify each and everything in order to update. All this also have to be renamed and then only it will be updated. Okay, and see here, once if I am going to reference tab and click on custom table of contents, are you people able to see this dialog box? Okay, so if you don't want these dots and if you want some other, you can change it. Okay, and for templates, actually the show levels here, general, here actually the default one will be 3. Okay, what is this level? This level is nothing but heading. Okay, if you click on OK, see here. Here the dots are changed. Okay. Show levels is headings hierarchy, means level 1, level 2, level 3 and all. See here we are seeing, I'll show. Chonde ikkada. In styles you are having. Okay. In this, we are using. So go to reference tab, go to table of contents. If you want to use automatic, you will get a blank page where you can type of your own, or else you can use automatic table of content too also. Okay, and if you want to use inbuilt, go to manual table. Just what you have to do, edit it. Means you have to remove and you have to make it. It didn't turn green color. It turned. For manual only I have made it, Nana. For normal I didn't. if I have to make, then I have to go to edit option again, modify option, and then I have to make it. Okay. So if I want to remove the table of contents, just go to table of contents and click on remove table of contents. Okay. If I want to make changes, go to custom table, click on modify, and again there is one more modify option. Just change it. Times New Roman 10. Which one I am showing actually? No table of contents entries found. Is that you are getting? One sec. Okay. Okay, see here. Go to table of contents. Go to custom table contents and click on modify here. Okay, again click on modify here. Now also. One second. I'll stop screening and I'll make it again. Okay now. Okay. So in order to use table of contents, which one we have to go? Go to references tab, and in references tab, table of contents we have to use. In this table of contents, there are three ways. One is automatic table, and second one is manual table, and third one is custom table. Okay. If you are using automatic table contents, you will be getting a blank one where the heading and subtopic will be there. Okay. And if you are using manual table, you have to edit this and then you have to say okay. You have to edit. Without editing everything, it will not set. And next, one more is we can remove this table of contents using, here there is an option called as remove table of contents. So instead of deleting one by one, we can delete on a whole. Next, custom table of contents is there. Okay, see here, show levels. This levels is for heading. Okay, like main heading, subheading, and one more subtopic. Okay, that levels are, first one is the main heading one, second one is the next to the main heading, and third one after the topic. Are you able to see this one? Where I am pointing the arrow? Okay, so this is called as level 1. Heading 1 is called as level 1 or my style 1. This one is called as level 1. Heading 2 is level 2 and heading 3 is level 3. Okay. My style 1 is level 1 and this is level 2 and this is level 3. Default value is 3. If you want to increase or decrease, we can see here. It is decreasing. If you see this. Before, one more heading is there, now it is removed. So if I want only one, even that will be removed, and only the main content will be there. You will not have any sub contents. I have taken 4. See here, for subtopic also I am getting. Or if I want more, one more will also come. Okay. And if you want to change this dots, see here table leader is there. In this table leader, just click which one you want. If you want a line, you can. If you want dotted lines, you can. Or if you want only dots, you can use this. Okay. And if you want to make any changes, go to modify and select of your choice. Okay. See here, the changes, whatever you can see, in that way it will present. So table of contents 4 I selected and I clicked on OK. Okay. Where? Close button. Which close button? Kiriti, which close button?
Sir, I think cursor is not visible.
Cursor. What cursor you are having? Kiriti, what cursor you are having? Are you able to see it or not? Now I'm selecting it. Aren't you able to see it? Okay. Okay, can you see at least now? Wait a minute. See now? Okay, I think you can see my whole screen. Okay. So now see, go to table of contents, click on customs. Now, are you able to see this dialog box? Table of contents dialog box. Okay. Now I am going for modify option. After modify option, I am getting one dialog box called as style. Is it visible? Style. Are you able to see? Okay. In this style, you can modify. Okay. You can modify and you can check any other color also. I'm keeping black. I'm using some other font size I'm decreasing. Okay, here the alignment is left and I am making it as a right. Okay, and these are called as indentations and I'm selecting OK. Okay, fine. So if you click on table of contents, custom table, then select any of this. 3 will be sufficient and click on OK. So no table of contents is found. I have to enter this. Or else go to manual table. What I will do is I'll copy this there. Okay. And this you can go to update command. Can you see it? Whatever changes I am making, it is taking. If I don't want, see, I have applied some other font and it came. Have you people observed that? before default some other thing came. Now I changed the text and it came. And if I don't want, what you can just click on remove table of contents. Okay. And usually this table of content is used next to your title page, where it will show what it will show, where some topics or some particular chapter and in which page they are present. That is the use of table of contents. So update table, once if you have finished off your table of contents, if you click on this update table like save, it will work for you. It will update the table and then you can make the changes. So if someone want to make the changes, you have to click on update table. So this is table of contents for you. So if you want to delete, what you have to do, go to table of contents and click on remove table of contents. Is that fine? I hope everyone understood this. So and stop the recording.